So today I'm gonna try to make these party ribs. But the challenge is to see if I can cook these party ribs in less than an hour. All my years of competition barbecue, I've never done ribs hot and fast like this. But I tell you what, we've learned a few secrets. Stick to the end and you'll find out if we make it or not. So let's get the prepping so we get to cook it. Come on, they're delicious. Oh my Lord. Now, we've done them in the past. I'm gonna do these a little bit differently. Go kind of a Hollywood cut. And what I mean by that is, I'm gonna basically sacrifice a bone. So this end one right here, follow right along the edge of the bone, and then go to the next one, and again, follow the bones, just like that. You're not really wasting a whole lot. We got a little bit of meat here, but you get most of the meat's gonna be on these. Now, the rub we use today is from Kings BBQ. This is the butt rub, this is pork rub. We'll season them up good. One advantage is to party ribs, we got seasoning all around them. These are like a really good game day thing. Something to cook at the party, kind of hot and fast. And get all the edges on them. All right, let's go put them on the grill. Meet you at the grill, come on. So I got my Weber Kettle Grill set up here. We're running a little bit over 400 degrees. We're doing 2-zone cooking. Put these right there on it. Meat side down. Bone side up right now. So I'm gonna let these go right at 20 minutes and come back and check on them. So we got tied up on something else. Been right at 25 minutes. That's what we got. Look good. 143, 154 on that side. So I'm gonna take them right now and flip them over. Got leave in there. Falls in the air. I'm gonna go about another 10 minutes. Be right back and check on them. But right now they're looking good. Exactly where I want to be at. All right, been right at 45 minutes. Close this back up. Set these right over the fire. Now we're doing direct heat. So it's gonna cook a little faster, but it'll get that char we're looking for. Little smoke action going. Flip them over. Starting to sizzle good on us. See that? Really good color on it. Swap you out to the front. A little char action we got. I got a little too much on that one, didn't we? Got some sweet chili sauce right here. Thick. Something we kind of used in the past to make that bang bang chicken. Let us go just a minute or two to set that sauce and pull them off and taste them. Be right back. All right, so we got. God, they look good, don't they? Tell you what, y'all, we've made these party ribs a few times. It's hard to pass some things up. Great for tailgating. Cook them about an hour. I think we're right now on. I'll tell you in just a second. I'll get these off. Look at my phone. And we are at right here. If you can see it or not, I think it's 1 hour and 8 minutes. That's how long it took to cook the ribs. 1 hour, 8 minutes. Pretty cool, ain't it? Didn't do it in an hour. Dang it. We tried. Now let's go inside and let them rest. I'm gonna let these rest right in 10 for about an hour. Then we'll taste them up. See you inside. All right, we're all inside. Get ready to taste them. Tell you what, man, they look absolutely amazing, don't they? Good feel to it. Little holiday ribs. Hollywood cut, man. Cheers. Yeah, it's not tough. Absolutely a perfect bite. Great flavor to it. Absolutely delicious. Oh my Lord. Y'all, these ribs are delicious. They're simple and easy. We failed on our mission today. Our mission was to cook ribs in an hour, but we didn't make it. We still got some really good ribs, and I'll still try it again next time. But do us a favor, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of glaze, what flavors you do for your ribs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now it's time to go inside and eat for this game day. Boy, it's game just a little while. But first, let's see what Dolly and Lucy thinks. Come on, girls. Dolly, Lucy. Dolly. Dolly like it and Lucy like it. If they like it, you'll fall in love with it. I say the blessing. Lord, bless the food back to see just and pray. Amen. Pizza good. Check them out. See you next time. Time to game now.